In this video I will show you how you can do slow-mo videos on Snapchat. So let's go on Snapchat, and as you can see here, let's record something. And what you need to do here is to swipe to the right, swipe until you see this basically snail. And as you can see here, the video is in slow motion as well, and you can basically slow-mo not only your recorded videos, but you can basically save from TikTok or whatever you want and then slow-mo. So what you need to do here is to press on this the button here, and then on camera roll, and basically we can select TikTok. And then what you can do here is to press on 3 dots on a right top corner, edit video, and also swipe to the right or left, and as you can see here, you can slow-mo TikTok videos or other external video you saved on your phone. So guys, if I helped you out, please smash that like button and subscribe for more similar content. Take care, bye.